Anal Tuesday.
Tuesday. What?
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 About you stupid fucking arsehole.
Never guess what? It's Anal Tuesday. Open wide.
Yeah, bend over.
Bend down.
get
Touch the...
Bend over, but don't cough.
Maria White likes everybody.
Stop being
Oh,
fucking
try to be
racist.
really quiet.
No, I can't.
I'm gonna try and listen to everything.
Maria.
You can.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
So Ashley, just try to be really quiet and then
Maria
run to the
White.
house singing.
You got. Oh, this door's open. This one.
Maria White.
Where are you?
Here? 13.3.
All the doors are normally shut, but
Yeah.
are you here? Where are
I
you?
think it is. I'm gonna come back to it in a minute. I'm gonna go check the other room.
Maria White, where are you?
Oh, I found a bone.
Pick it up.
Oh no.
Are you picking it up?
I can't because you're in my way. Hey, Lou.
Hello, hello, hello. What are you doing? Oh, you got it. Well done.
Where are you?
Mary
Oh,
White.
Ta.
Cat running. Where's that?
Oh, it's him. Stopped again now, ain't it? Where are you?
Oh, got
Are
two.
you here?
Was 11.2.
Where did you get to?
Somebody's EMF is going off. Yeah, alright.
It's
it was
mine
it's
up
in the
here.
hallway.
Here.
I think it might be in the hallway.
Where are you? Kate,
Where
are
are
you
you?
here? Look at me.
Is that
Hello?
you?
In here. What? Yes, in here.
11.7.
Are
He's
you here?
upstairs.
Okay.
Nice.
Close. Open the
Oh,
door.
here we go. Right.
Where are you? Okay.
So he's in the bathroom.
In the
What's his
bathroom.
name?
Maria White,
Maria
the
White.
lady.
Maria White, show me your
What's
crusty
her name?
cakes.
Ugh.
I...
Oh, I put a camera down.
Alright, I'm gonna go and grab something else. Maybe the CT.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, fangirl,
Jesus.
fangirl, how you go to the...
Just lost.
Yeah, she did. Fucking twat.
Yeah.
Well, I have a feeling
Let me
that Rachel's
smudge.
already got one. Oh, she has? Are you smudging?
Oh,
I'm
what was
smudging,
that?
baby girl.
Oh, it's just work.
What was what?
Stopped him from doing something. He's just.
I think you find it's a her.
Oh, she's just done something really weird, a weird sound.
Nosy!
Just a melon.
Oh, he's such a fucking idiot. Why is he
Oh,
shutting
I need
all
to
the
move
doors?
that camera.
Right, hang on, I'm lost.
He hasn't
I don't know where I am. Ashley! Oh! Just...
Yes, why?
No,
Right,
I'm not
Rachel.
feeling it.
Why can't I? Oh my god, what's going on? I lost
What's the
control
matter?
of my mouse and my body, my Oh, he's doing it again! It's looking at the floor! Oh my god, what the hell is going on? Oh, mate, it's stopping me!
Yeah, I've got one now.
Mate,
Right
Oh,
there.
give the light.
On the floor with the...
What do we need?
Go. We've got to do our sanity.
What was the third?
To
thingy?
25.
What was the third thingy?
20... EMS. Freezing temps.
Freezing temperatures, yeah.
We've had
Have we
EMF
got
as
any of
well.
those things with us? No.
No!
Those are the options.
Nosy! Nosy!
Where is he?
He needs to fuck that up.
done a
He's just
breathing
locked the
thing.
door. Nosy!
Mate,
Stop
it's
it!
freezing temperatures.
Oh,
It's freezing.
I love how she goes royalty.
No one's-
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
There.
so everybody turn your lights off and your sanity.
No,
is off.
thanks.
I want to take a picture.
I'm not getting my sanity down in the room that the ghost's in. Can you move out the fucking way?
Aww.
Don't shut the door, Knowles, please.
Have you put a crucifix in there?
Nope.
I did.
I haven't.
I did.
Oh, it's... Stop doing it!
She,
You
hey,
did
she's
it
just...
again! You turn!
Fuck
Oh shit,
this!
you fucked up, bitch. She just spawned right through you.
That you're right!
Man, I was gone. She had some fucking pajamas on.
She was smiling.
The fuck? Oh, bless her.
Look
Prick.
Oh, we are.
Look on my camera that I've got in my hand. She's smiling.
Hang
Yeah.
on. Oh, hang on, Kate. Let me look. Well, I can't because Nolty's big brows in there.
She
Knowles,
went
move your
right
fat
before
head.
you, Knowles.
Oh,
I can't see. Nose. Kate, just
You
stay
lot-
still,
you-
sweetheart.
You're not fucking bullying me.
I can only see a bit of her.
she's smiling.
Oh shit, fuck off.
Yeah.
What is she?
Oh, yeah. Oh, that didn't work, did it?
Maria,
Especially not when I'm being
you
chased.
gotta see her.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Where are ya? Knowles.
Hello.
I found that out.
I'm not on about the fucking ghost.
Oh,
Why
he's
is that door
hiding
open?
somewhere already, and he's
Where we going?
not in here because there's nowhere to
Huh?
hide.
Gotta get our sanity down, bro.
Where should we go?
Little room. Little rooms are always good.
In it, wait, which one's that?
This one over here.
This one.
Are you in?
What you in at?
I thought my door was flashing.
It is.
Oh, now it is. Oh god, you do it.
What's he doing? I'm literally just staring at your asses. I'm inside of you. Oh,
On the next one, I think we need to be brave and not hide. Only in a farmhouse because I can run.
Hello, hello, hello. Shit friends. Hashtag unfriend you too as well. Ah! Ah! Yeah, you fucking little.
That wasn't me. That was fucking Katie. That was.
you're behind me. How is
Katie.
that possible?
Hey, I've got it on video, mate. Don't worry about it.
Oh my god, that was.
Oh my god, why isn't our sanity down?
Shit, we need to keep seeing the ghost. We can't get into the room, I don't think.
I was hiding in the cupboard, ready to jump out at you, right? And the fucking ghost spawned right there. I was like, oh, for Christ's sake.
Go on,
If it
Kate, let's go
doesn't
in.
get to
Go
me,
on.
I'm gonna
Yeah, we
look
need to-
like
Should we
an
go upstairs?
Yeah, we know that's where it is.
Bet you won't put that in, did you? Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
so where we gotta go?
Where are we going to hide, Ash?
I don't know. Where'd you think?
We gotta hide, haven't we gotta see her?
Oh, yeah, let's go back up to the room. Come on.
Go in the front room. It's a big room.
Room? Go up front, in the
How
front
would you get
room.
away from it?
Just run around the settee or wherever, and just down the hall. Yeah, come over here. Stand here.
Oh, and then see which way it runs from and run the opposite way.
You
Yeah.
can, yeah.
I don't know how I feel
See.
about this.
Maria
Got a good game
White,
plan.
get your fucking snatch out! Woo!
This is why they hunt us, because you're so aggressive.
Right, you ready, guys?
Nope.
No.
I'm so scared.
I can't see. I can't see. Everyone's in the way.
No, they can't see.
Neither can I.
I'm so scared.
There it is.
Here's your guns!
Oh my god.
Crawling!
Run.
Oh my god! What's going on with
Like, that's great.
Hey, that got the sanity
Oh,
down.
shit, no, it didn't! Stop. Oh,
That
fuck.
scream from Rachel was primal, man. Primal, that one.
Go back in.
Oh my god, that was. Oh god.
That was funny as fuck, that was.
Mate, I can't do a crawler, bitch.
Oh, I didn't like
Oh,
that.
she kept disappearing, so I didn't see which way she went.
Are we doing the same?
Yeah, go on then. I quite enjoyed that.
Come on, let's do
No.
it again.
Oh, I can't.
Come on, Ash, get in.
Oh, fucking hate the pair here.
I didn't. Which
I
way
know.
did it go?
Suggesting
Which
it.
way
Right,
did it go?
Rachel's ready. Come on then.
Ash, which way did it go?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah,
Right,
I
cue the
couldn't
music.
tell.
They're coming, Mr.
And I
Bombastic,
got stuck
Dudley
on the
Fantastic.
table.
I don't know which way did she
shit,
come. Oh my god.
She
Oh my
came-
god. Oh my god.
She came, I think she came right, didn't she?
I don't know.
I don't know, but I'm stuck. I am so scared.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Fucking hell, dudes.
Where is it? Where is it?
can't.
Oh
Come
my
on.
gosh, she's
Can't.
coming.
Here she
Here
comes.
Here she comes.
This way! This way! Up the stairs! Up the stairs! Up the stairs! Up the stairs!
You bastards!
I'm watching her die. She's dying right in front of me. Oh, mate, she probably died.
Ash!
Well, just me and you, Katie.
Ashley! Hello!
Right.
Hi! I was
I got
following
stuck on
you.
the door.
That was awful.
Yeah.
I've just watched her come in that room and she was crawling like a motherfucker. It was awful.
I know, she fucking... I got stuck on this door here and it fucked me up here. Right here.
Did ya?
I was like this. Fuck! Yeah.
At least we died together.
Where's they gone?
Out in the van, I think.
Mate, your scream was funny.
Was it bad?
Later.
Oh, right.
I know.
That was horrible. That was
Wow.
fucking
I
horrible.
waited for you. I collected you from the other side.
Oh, thank you.
Oh shit.
That was so scary.
That was the most traumatic thing. I got stuck on a door frame.
I watched her come in the room and she went to the right side.
Yeah, that. Oh, yeah, I legged it to the.
Yeah, but your scream, Rachel, when you died was the best thing I've ever heard.
Oh, it's really bad. I did. Do you know
Yeah,
what?
you was
Do you know
like,
what happened? You know, I don't know who said it, but there was like she's crawling, and mate, I literally shit myself. So I didn't care. I wanted to fucking die in reality because I didn't want to fucking carry on.